Hi there! Welcome to our channel, Learning Languages by Listening and Practicing. Let's start.
Dialogue 1, Future on Wheels. Setting: two colleagues, Annika and Ben, are waiting for their coffee at a futuristic charging station. Sleek electric vehicles whiz past, buzzing with quiet energy.
Did you see the latest news about Tesla unveiling their new self-driving taxis?
Yeah. Can you imagine a world where we hail an electric car with a tap on our phone, no traffic jams, no pollution? Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie.
Elon Musk always seems to push the boundaries. Remember when everyone thought electric cars were just a gimmick? Now look at us, charging our vehicles with clean energy while sipping lattes.
It's incredible how quickly things have changed. I still remember worrying about finding gas stations on road trips. Now, with charging stations popping up everywhere, it's a breeze.
And think about the environmental impact. No more tailpipe emissions choking our cities. Imagine cleaner air, healthier lungs, and a planet breathing easier.
But can Musk's vision of a fully electric future really become a reality? What about affordability, infrastructure, and accessibility?
He's tackled bigger challenges before. Remember, SpaceX was also considered audacious. Yet here we are with astronauts launching from American soil. He's a master innovator, constantly driving down costs and finding creative solutions.
True, but widespread adoption requires more than just cool tech. We need government support, public buy-in, and a shift in societal mindset.
Definitely. It's not just about cars. Think about homes powered by solar panels, factories running on sustainable energy. It's a complete paradigm shift.
And a complex one. But if anyone can pull it off, it might be Elon Musk. He's got the vision, the resources, and the audacity to challenge the status quo.
As we enjoy our clean energy commute, let's hope he's right. A future powered by electricity could be brighter, cleaner, and more sustainable for everyone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow our next videos.